With just 40 millimeters in height, the Bachmann TWIST is the compact power strip and is universally suited for the office, kitchen, and living area. With its clever fastener and rotary cover in stainless steel or matte chrome, it blends perfectly into countless interior designs. To save space, the cable can be routed on the housing. The power strip is secured in the 105mm cutout with the 2 eccentric screws, or optionally with the 90-degree offset clamping claws. It's incredibly easy to install. Simply use the Bachmann hole saw to drill a 105mm cutout. Insert twist and secure with an Allen key. Job done.